I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify mobile friendly, updated. Start by selecting a responsive theme and enable its mobile layout options immediately. Compress and serve images in modern formats to speed loading. Use clear, thumb-sized buttons and concise menus to simplify navigation. Prioritize a streamlined product page and quick add-to-cart flow. Regularly test on multiple devices to catch layout issues and fix touch targets for better conversions. In this video, I will show how to make Shopify mobile friendly, updated. Focus on speed by compressing images and serving them in modern formats like WebP. Implement lazy loading for off-screen media and preload critical assets to improve perceived performance. Audit apps and scripts and remove or defer non-essential ones to reduce blocking time. Use a content delivery network and enable browser caching so repeat visitors experience faster page loads and smoother browsing. In this video, I will review how to make Shopify mobile friendly, updated. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep at your desk while you tweak settings and test layouts. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make Shopify mobile friendly, updated. Make product pages scannable with short descriptions, clear pricing, and a prominent buy button near the top. Offer accelerated checkout options like Apple Pay to speed purchases and reduce abandonment. Simplify forms by asking only for essential information and enable autofill types for faster input. Test the full checkout path on small screens to ensure every step is clear and tappable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.